Hello, everybody, and thanks for watching again. This is going to be the Longmont, Colorado sales stats for January of 2013. So we'll move into it. A few little points I wanted to point out here. 278 active listings, and our days on market fell again, down this time 10.7%. So it's just, it's been a great time to list recently. We've been saying that for several months now, and I think the days on market have really been showing that, and we'll kind of get into that a little bit later here. So where we want to start is the total sold for the month. Last year, January, we had 53 sales, and we blew that out of the water this year. 2013 January had 85, which was just over 60% of an increase on there. Awesome start for the year. 32 more sales than last year's January. Obviously, weather. We've had an unusually warm winter this year, so that's got a little bit to do with it here. But it's a pretty active market. This is going to be the same slide this month, just because year to date we're starting in January, so those are going to be the same exact stats. But as we get into February, March, etc., we will have some different numbers to report on those. Days on market is the one I wanted to talk about a little bit more too. We've been seeing this trend for, over a year now. Last year, January, 103 days on market. This year, January, 92, down almost 11%. A really good start for this year. Remember, a lot of this is still a little bit skewed because we've got some properties on here that are flying off the shelves in 2, 3, 7, 10 days, getting, full price offers. And then we've got some lingering, short sales, longer bank owned sales, etc., that are kind of taking, they'll take a full 30 days, 60 days, 90 days plus. So that's where we're seeing this average come in, kind of in the 92 area, which still is a great number. But realistically, if we've got a really clean house that's, priced accordingly and priced to move, you're seeing much less than 90 days on market on here. But still, as far as averages go, that's not a bad number at all. The active listings were also pretty interesting. Last year, we had 345 active home listings in Longmont. This year, January, 278, almost 20% down. So it still remains that the two things in our market right now, we've got a lower inventory and we've got lower days on market on there. So, just like I haven't actually changed this in a couple months. A lot of the agents will tell you that the popular price categories and the homes in great condition are really moving, and they're reducing inventory pretty quickly. Average sales prices changed a little bit. Not too big of a change, but we had 253,788 last year in January, and this past January's average sales price was 265,503. So, numbers wise, we had a pretty decent increase. It was a smaller percentage change, but all in all was not bad. That's going to do it for us for this month. Kind of a short one this month, just because I didn't really have to compare year-over-year numbers since we're only in January on here. But if you have any questions about your home's value, or want us to run some comparables, or just any general real estate questions, be it rentals or sales, feel free to give us a call, 720-495-5924, or visit us online at www.stvrainrealty.com.